Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.4, third sum. If mu is nothing but what? Mean. Mu and sigma square. Sigma square is nothing but variance. Mu and sigma square are mean and variance of the discrete random variable x, and expectation of x plus 3 equal to 10, and expectation of x plus 3 the whole square equal to 116. Find mu and sigma square. We can use the property expectation of e of x plus 3 equal to 10. It is given expectation of e of x plus 3 equal to 10. What is the property we are going to use? E of ax plus b. E of ax plus b equal to a into e of x plus b. We can use that property. So e of x plus 3 equal to 10. So e of x equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. So e of x equal to 7. So therefore, e of x is nothing but what? Expectation of x. That is mean equal to mu equal to 7. Mean equal to mu equal to 7. Then we move on to expectation of e of x plus 3 the whole square. X plus 3 the whole square, it is given as what? 116. We can use a plus b the whole square formula. Expectation of x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 6x plus 9 equal to 116. So e of x square plus 6 into e of x plus 6 into e of x plus e of 9 plus e of 9 equal to 116. E of 9 is e of c equal to c. E of constant equal to constant. So expectation of x square, e of x square plus 6 into expectation of x. We already got the value e of x equal to 7. So we can substitute here 7. E of 9 is 9 equal to 116. E of x square plus 42 plus 9 equal to 116. E of x square plus 42 plus 9 is 51 equal to 116. E of x square, e of x square equal to 116 minus 51. 116 minus 51, e of x square, e of x square equal to 65. 65. Variance of x. What is the formula for variance of x? E of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. So 65 minus expectation of x is 7 the whole square. So 65 minus 49. 49 equal to 16. 49 equal to 16. Therefore, sigma square equal to 16. Variance of x, sigma square equal to 16. See the fourth sum. 4 fair coins are tossed once. Find the probability mass function mean variance for the number of hits acquired. See, 4 coins are tossed means what is the sample space? N of S equal to 2 power 4 because the coin has two sides, head and tail. So 2 power 4 equal to 16. 2 power 4 sample space. N of S equal to sample space. N of S equal to 2 power 4 equal to 16. So let X be the random variable. Let X be the let x be the random variable, denotes number of hits. Let x be the random variable, denotes random variable. Random variable denotes number of heads. Random variable denotes number of heads. Denotes number of heads. Let x be the random variable denotes number of heads. So what is the possible values x can takes? X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. P of x equal to 0. What is the meaning for that x equal to 0? No head. When we tossed four coins, we are not getting the head. So no head. Out of four coins, no head. So by 16. By 16. 4C not equal to 4C not equal to 1 by 16. 4C not equal to 1 by 16. Then P of x equal to 1. P of x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means 1 head. P of 1 head. 1 head. So 4 coins are tossed. You are getting only 1 head by 16. So 4C1 is 4 by 16. Next, P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2 means P of 2 heads. P of 2 heads. When we toss the coin, we are getting 2 heads. P4C2 by sample spaces 16. So 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 by 16. 1 into 2 by 16. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the value is what? 6 by 16. 6 by 16. P of x equal to 3. P of x equal to 3. P of 3 heads. P of x equal to 3. P of 3 heads. 3 heads means, see here, 4C3 by 16. 4C3, it's nothing but what? 4C1. So we will write in such a way 4C4 minus 3. 4C4 minus 3, or you will write 4 into 3 into, if you want you can write it like this, 4C3 equal to 4C4 minus 3 by 16. So 4C1 by 16. So the answer is what? 4 by 16. The answer is 4 by 16. See, P of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 4. All the four heads. P of 4 heads. X equal to 4 heads. So it gives 4C4 by 16. 4C4 is what? 1 by 16. 4C4 is 1 by 16. So we can write probability mass function. Probability mass function. Probability mass function. Mass function. Probability mass function. X can takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. P of x equal to x 1 by 16, 1 can 4 by 16, 6 by 16, and 3 is 6 by 16, 3 is 4 by 16, and 1 by 16. 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Then you should find out the value of mean. Mean equal to sigma x f of x. What is the value? 0 into 1 by 16 plus 1 into 4 by 16 plus 2 into 6 by 16 plus 3 into 4 by 16 plus 4 into 1 by 16. So the value is 0 into a number 0, 4 by 16 plus 12 by 16. You don't cancel that value because if it is LCM is 16, it is easy to do the sum. So 4 by 6, 0 by 16, 4 ones are 4 by 16, 6 twos are 12 by 16, again 4 threes are 12 by 16, 12 by 16 plus 4 by 16. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 4, 24 plus 8 is 32 by 16. You cancel, the value is 2. Therefore, mean equal to 2. Mean equal to 2. Mean equal to expectation of x equal to 2. Mean equal to expectation of x equal to 2. Then we move on to e of x square. E of x square equal to 0 square into 0 square into 1 by 16. 0 square into 1 by 16 plus 1 square into plus 1 square into 4 by 16. 1 square into 4 by 16. 4 by 16 plus 2 square into plus 2 square into 2 square into 6 by 16. 6 by 16 plus 3 square into 3 square into 4 by 16. 4 by 16 plus 4 square into 1 by 16. So 0 into 1 by 16 is 0. 1 square is 4 by 16 plus 2 square is 4 into 2 square is 2 square is 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 by 16. 24 by 16. This value is what? 0 plus 24 by 16 plus 3 square is 9. 9 into 4, 36. 36 by 16 plus 4 square is 16. 16 by 16. 16 by 16. So you can take the LCM. 16. So what is the value? 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 36 plus 16 is 52 plus 28, 80 by 16. 80 by 16 is what? 5. So variance of x equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. So it gives 5 minus 2 the whole square. So it implies 5 minus 4 the value equal to 1. Therefore, mean equal to 2. Mean equal to 2. Variance equal to 1. Mean equal to 2. Variance equal to 1. We move on to the fifth sum. A commuter train punctually at a station every half hour. Each morning, a student leaves his house to the train station. Let x denotes the amount of time in minutes that the student waits for a train from the time he reaches the train station. It is known that the probability density function of x is f of x equal to 1 by 30. The interval is given 0 less than x less than 30, 0 elsewhere. Obtain and interrupt the expected value of the random variable x. See here, see the question. F of x is given as 1 by 30, 0 less than x less than 30. Here, see, x be the random variable denotes the, let x be the random variable. Let x be that is given. Let x be the random variable. Let x be the random variable. Random variable. Let x be the random variable denotes. Let x be the random variable denotes the let x be the random variable denotes the waiting time. Let x be the random variable waiting denotes the waiting time. X is continuous. X is continuous. The intervals is given as x is continuous. X is continuous in the interval what? On 0 comma 30. So it is a probability density function. They are asking about the expected mean equal to expected value of the random variable, that is e of x. E of x equal to probability density function means what is the value? minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx f of x dx. So 0 to 30, the limit is given as 0 to 30, x into what is our f of x, 1 by 30 into dx. So 1 by 30 is constant, you can take it out, 0 to 30 x into dx. So it gives 1 by 30 into x square by 2, the limit is 0 to 30. So 1 by 30 into 1 by 30 into 2, constant, you can take it out, upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 30 into 2 into 30 square. You cancel that value. What is the remaining thing? Mean equal to, mean equal to, mean equal to expectation of x equal to 30 by 2. 30 by 2 it gives 15. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, that is expected value of waiting time. Expected value of waiting time equal to expected value of waiting expected value of waiting time equal to 15 minutes. Expected value of waiting time equal to 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.